Hey, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are at this gorgeous home right in Lynn Haven. It has perfect access to all the main thoroughfares, so close to Publix and Walmart and the schools. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has all of the space that you need for your family. It's got 2 living spaces, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, all of the things that can make a cozy home your own. The kids have plenty of space in a split bedroom floor plan, and the master is so large, is the perfect ensuite. That bathroom is amazing. And let's just talk about the living out here. This property is so expansive. You've got this great, beautiful pool for you to enjoy. And just beyond, you've got boat access to head out to North Bay and eventually the Gulf. This home has everything you're looking for, under $600,000 for 3,000 square feet in the beautiful Lynn Haven area of Panama City and Panama City Beach. If you would like more information, look in the description below, click the link straight to the MLS listing, and you can get more details. Don't forget, make a comment below. Let us know what you think, and ring that bell for thebeachshow.com so you don't miss your properties. Bye for now.